Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Ford Pass Connect, heated front seats, Equipment Group 200A, convenience package with Power Equipment Group, dual zone electronic automatic temperature control, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, rear view camera, speed sensing steering, alloy wheels, auto high beam headlamp control, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.